Welcome student in my math class. Our topic is mensuration on Hindi Kshetramriti and its subtopic is perimeter in Hindi is known as परिमाप. Mensuration एक बहुत बृहद और बहुत ही वास्ट चैप्टर है. इसके हम छोटे छोटे खंडों में हम इसको पढ़ेंगे, जिसमें आज हम शुरुआत करते हैं परिमाप से. इसे हम पेरीमीटर भी कहते हैं. सपोज़ हम पेरीमीटर या क्षेत्रमिति की मदद से हम अपने दैनिक जीवन में किस तरह से चीज़ों का आकलन या किस चीज़ों को हम समझना शुरू करते हैं. पेरीमीटर इज जनरली नोन एज द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय एनी ज्योमेट्री along with the boundary forming a closed figure when you go around the figure at once. Suppose this is the starting point S and you could move from here and you could move along is the boundary of this closed figure and go in with S. This complete round of this closed figure is known as the perimeter of this figure. This is the triangle. We know that. हम इस ट्रायंगल का, इस त्रिभुज के तीनों भुजाओं को जब हम कवर कर लेंगे, उनका एडिशन कर लेंगे, वही उसका क्या कहलाएगा? पेरीमीटर कहलाएगा. हम सपोज करते हैं कि हमारे पास कोई ज्योमेट्री है, एक पैरेललोग्राम टाइप की. ये हमारी एक ज्योमेट्री है और इस ज्योमेट्री में हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. दिस इज स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एस. अगर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, वी कुड स्टार्ट ओवर हियर एंड मूव ऑन इट्स बाउंड्री of this closed figure, and then we could measure all the side of this parallelogram or geometry. This is the addition of these all the sides of its geometry is known as the perimeter of it. It becomes the closed one, measuring of all four sides. If suppose figure is like something 8, this is figure, suppose like this is they have many terms. If we could move, I started with this, then what could happen? This side becomes add, this side becomes add, this side becomes add, and all these small side, big side will become added continuously, and we could find out the parameter of this geometry or design. This is known as the parameter. It is generally known with the parimap or written in the capital P form. What is your daily use of parameter? First use, we generally know a farmer who wants to fence off his field. अगर एक किसान अपने खेत में के चारों तरफ, अपने खेतों के चारों तरफ एक बाड़ लगाना चाहता है, तो वो किस तरीके से, उसकी किस मदद से वो लगाएगा? तो इस तरीके से अगर उसका कोई खेत है तो वो उस खेत के चारों तरफ, अगर वो अपने खेत के चारों तरफ बाड़ लगाना चाह रहा है, तो वो उस खेत के चारों तरफ बाड़ लगाने के लिए उसके परिमाप का उपयोग करेगा. दूसरा, एक इंजीनियर क्या करता है, एक बिल्डिंग का प्लान कर रहा है और उस बिल्डिंग के प्लान में उस कितनी साइड उसके वॉल्स की होंगी, उसके एडिशंस के लिए उस क्या करेगा, सभी साइड्स के को ऐड करेगा. थर्ड, एक पर्सन है, वो ट्रैक करता है, वो एथलीट है. ए पर्सन इज एथलीट. इफ वी वांट टू रन ऑन दिस ट्रैक, so it measures its parameter. If this is the ABCD is the track and a person, athlete person wants to run on this track, it measures firstly AB, BC, CD and dA. This is the parameter of this ground. Okay, let's draw the some geometry and calculate its area. If suppose this is the first geometry is A, B, C and D. If this is the 40 centimeter, this is the 10 centimeter, this is again 40 centimeter and AD is 10 centimeter. If we want to calculate the parameter of this ABCD, then how we could do it? We write over here P. P is the parameter of rectangle ABCD. AB, firstly we could add the AB. AB plus we could add BC. BC plus we could add CD. Good. Plus we could add DA. DA. Okay. If AB is 40 centimeter, BC is 10 centimeter, CD is again 40 centimeter and DA is again 10 centimeter, then addition becomes 100 centimeter. This is your answer. If any path or any geometry in the shape of the rectangle will given, then we could find out the parameter of this type of geometry. If suppose the geometry is like this and we could calculate the parameter of it, then what is the parameter of this kind of geometry and how we could calculate the parameter of this kind of geometry. So let us see and calculate this type of geometry parameter. Okay, write the measurement and give the name of all the point, then calculate the parameter of this geometry and write the parameter is known as P. First side, if starting point is A, then firstly calculate the parameter with side addition of side AB. AB plus BC. BC is the second side. Again is CD. Again is DE. Add EF. Plus FG plus GH HI plus IJ plus JK and last side is KL. Okay, this is the summation of all the side of the given geometry. If we could add and find out the result of it, then we could must add this all the sides. Okay, then parameter P will becomes, after putting the value is 1, AB is 1, again is 3, small side is 1, opposite side of is 3, again we could add 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 and this is becomes final. We could add these sides and find out the parameter of this geometry, look like as the plus. After adding we could find out the 25 centimeter is the answer. If you want to fence this type of geometry or at all the sides we could find out the parameter of this kind of geometry. Okay, then calculate or find out the parameter of the regular figure. Topic is find out the perimeter of regular figure. First regular figure is our square. We know that the definition of a square is the geometry whose four sided are equal. Whose four sided are equal is known as the geometry is known as the square. If this is the square, is known as the A, B, C, D. This is A. This is also A. This is A, and the last one AD is also A. If we calculate the parameter of this square, we could add all the sides, means AB becomes A, BC becomes A, CD becomes A, and DA becomes A. Okay, we could add it. This is all the variables, and addition means 4 times A is equal to 4A. So we could write over here the 4 into the length of side of square. Okay, it means the parameter of any square is equal to 4 into A in centimeter or given measurement. Next is equilateral triangle. We know that whose sides are equal is known as the equilateral triangle. If this is the ABC is the equilateral triangle, it means the side of AB becomes equal to A, and BC is also A, and CA is also A. If we calculate the parameter of this equilateral triangle, we could must write over here AB is equal to A, BC is equal to A, and CA is equal to A. It means 3 into A. Okay, 3 into side of equilateral triangle in the measurement. Okay, this is the formula, or we could say that how to calculate the parameter of any regular geometry. Here we could know about square and the triangle, equilateral triangle. If any kind of triangle, we could must add the side of the triangle and find out the parameter of the given geometry. Let's solve the another question based on it. If suppose the geometry is given like this, if this is geometry is A, B, C, D and E, and the value is 1 centimeter is equal to 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Then parameter of it is AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA. Okay, put the value of AB is equal to 1, BC is equal to 4, it will becomes 2, D is 2, and last is B is equal to 5. We could add and calculate the value of it becomes 14 centimeter. This is the way to calculate the parameter of any given geometry. So let's solve the some question based on it and write down its answer in the comment box. I hope you could do very well and give me the answer of a given homework. Thank you very much. These are your questions. I hope you could solve these questions and send their answers in the comment box. Thank you very much.